Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the Java concurrency feature used in collection. In Java 5 concurrency API, we have introduced copy on write array list concurrent hash map. Now the question is why we have introduced. Uh, an example like in a collections of the list and the multiple thread concurrently add and concurrently read. Okay, so what happened, like you might see that you will get that concurrent modification exception, right? uh, so here is the solution. If you see that copy on write, so from the array list, copy on array list, so it will create separate copy during the write operation. For the read operation, it doesn't. So for write operation, I am making it synchronize. Okay, so only one write operation possible, no other thread able to do that. But for the read operation, it's running on the separate copy, right? Where the write operation doing, so it does not concurrent. Okay, it's does not clash with write operation. So here copy on write array list makes separate copies of underlying structure, and read operation is the same structure. So multiple thread can do that at the same time. So for write operation is the sequentially only one allowed, read operation concurrently multiple thread are allowed it. Okay, similarly it's doing for the concurrent hash map. Not only that, copy on write array list have introduced a new function, add if absent or add if all absents. Okay, so I will discuss one by one. So for copy on write array list is the fail safe mechanism. Let me show it by example. Okay, so here I have shown here with the single thread. Okay, so here the let me check with what is the issue in the traditional array list. Okay, so here is the array list, I have added it. Okay, and based on that I remove from the list dot remove, you will get concurrent modification exception. Okay, so let me run it. So here you will find first it will read it, that if you see that list dot for each, so 1 2 3 4 5, and when I am going to remove it, that on the same list you will get concurrent modification exception. So what is the solution? What I can do, iterator, it will be same for the list dot add also. Okay, it's not only remove, so it's irrespective, it's any write operation. So you will get it. Okay, you will get that concurrent modification exception is in the single thread. So read and remove and add, that's a write operation. So what is the solution? I can make it using the iterator, using directly from the list. Okay, so instead of the list, if we do it from the iterator, you will not that issue. Okay, so here you will not find issue. Suppose I am not going to use iterator. Okay, I am using list.remove, and in that case I have to use copy on write array list, because write operation is doing in the separate copy, is the fail safe mechanism. Okay, if you do that you will not getting any error here. 1 2 3, so 3 has been removed. Okay, now if you see here that in copy on write array list, if you are trying to use the iterator to make write operation, you will get unsupported exception. Whether it's a iterator or the list iterator, you will get the same thing. Okay, so for copy on write array list, iterator is not allowed. Okay, this is for totally for single thread. Okay, now I'm going to show it for multiple thread. Okay, here multiple thread list, let me show it. So here itself, if I use multiple thread with array as well as array list instead of array list, so case 1 is a no concurrent modification here. Okay, and if it is the list is the array list, you will get concurrent modification exception. Let me check it. So you will get, when it is running, you will get the concurrent modification exception. Okay, but thread is not stop. In between, I am getting that concurrent modification exception. Write is doing, and during read operation, that concurrent modification exception. Okay, so and the write operation doing simultaneously. So what's the solution here? So instead of array list, I'm using copy on write array list. Okay, let me remove all of it. You will never get concurrent modification exception. So read and write operation you will never get. So write operation doing, read operation doing. Okay, now see what is present here in the write thread. What I have done, so count 6 already, 1 2 3 4 5 I have added here. Okay, and 6 and count plus plus, so I have made deliberately make that 5000. Okay, right. So write operation very less here, and the read operation very frequently. So every 5000 millisecond I am going to do the write operation, and the read operation every 10 second, 10 millisecond. So I have make it. So where the read operation is very frequently, we are going to use the copy on write array list. Okay, so this way we can achieve our goal. Okay, so there is, if you see here, you will not there is no concurrent modification exceptions. Okay, so we are using copy on write array list where write is very less, because it's a costly operation, write operation, since we are preparing the separate copy of the copy on write array. Okay, we are preparing separate copy of array for the write operation, and read operation is the same list we are going to make the read operation. Okay, so in that case we are using copy on write. For example, for in the JMS, right, where the number of subscriber is not frequently added, it's a very less added, mostly it's a read, subscriber is not making write operations, right, it's mostly the read operation subscriber in the list. So in that case we can use the copy on write array list. Similarly, in concurrent hash map also, what we can do, hash map, like if we are using array list to make it for concurrency problem, we can use synchronize collections dot synchronize array list, or synchronized, make that method synchronize. But entire method, what's the advantage for copy on write array list? If you are making synchronized for read or write operation, is not simultaneously doing. So if we are making a one thread locks, the other thread is not, so one thread is getting the lock. Okay, a multiple other thread is just waiting. So its performance is improved for the read operation, multiple read operation, but the collections dot synchronized method is not is helping here. So Similarly, a concept has been introduced in concurrent hash map. So hash map, we have option like either using hash table, we its entire hash table means is the entire method is synchronized, right? And or if you are using hash map where we can making that method synchronized, right? It is entirely so simultaneously read operation, multiple read or read on write operation not possible, right? So we are what we are doing, only the write operation synchronized, read operation we are allowing them. So what we are doing there, what we are doing here, we are putting that value, and write operation we are putting the value, okay, and hash map is the new in addition it, and the read operation, so similarly in that every 10 seconds it's going to add it here, okay. So let me see the issue first, okay. So you will find concurrent modification, okay. So let me remove here. So this is copy on write array list, okay. Let me go to the hash map. Let me close everything. So concurrent hash map example. So here is the map, it's the simple hash map, okay. Now you will get issue here. Since I have used normal hash map, you're supposed to get read write, read old write. So now you are getting concurrent modification exception for the hash map, okay, because read and write operation simultaneously it's allowing not allowing that. To fix that issue, what we can do, we are using concurrent with concurrent hash map. What is there in the concurrent hash map? In concurrent hash map 1 2 3 4 5 has been added, and here I have used put if absent. So it's also preventing duplicate copy. So put if absent, and it's a write operation, and the read operation is the key set view, okay. Map dot key set iterator, and after iteration you are I am giving the fake processor time and making output. So now see how it behave. So you will not get concurrent modification exception since I have used concurrent hash map, okay. So this is the thing I have already discussed, single and multiple threads. For single thread, I have used iterator remove instead of list.remove. Okay, this is a one way, and or you can use that copy on write array list instead of array list. Okay, and for multiple thread, copy on write array list instead of array list. What is copy on? Why copy on write array list? Is the similar to array list. Only one thread can execute write operation, other thread can execute the read operation. Case is designed to enable such sequential write and concurrent sequential write. That means only one write operation, and the Concurrent read, multiple read operation, multiple thread can perform the read operation. How does copy on write array list works? I have already discussed. It's creating the new copy of the element in the list. Okay, is the separate lock for the write only. For the read, there is a no lock. There is no lock for multiple thread. And snapshot iterators means is the iterator or the list iterator. Copy on write array list is the different copy of the element, hence it's the snapshot iterator. It's not allowing uh, iterator dot remove. Okay, it does not modifying the list while traversing. Okay, so iterator dot remove is not allowing for the copy on write array list. When to use? When small operation for the write or the small number of elements, it's advisable. Okay, new method in copy on write array list or concurrent hash map: put if absent, add if absent, add all absent. Okay, here we have used here. Okay, and let me show it some features. So here copy on write array list example. So add all absent. So here it's a b c. Okay, so let me run. I don't want to run the multiple thread. Okay, okay, so here you see apple, banana, orange. Orange was added, and for array list it is apple, banana, orange and orange. Since let me see, so apple, banana, orange. If it's the without add if absence, orange was added, and the list for the list case, for the list it will be added. Here it is for copy on write array list, apple, banana, orange. Orange already there, so it is not going to add. It will be showing apple, orange, apple, banana and orange. Duplicate copy of orange is not there. Okay, and for array list you will see that, but for copy on write array list you don't find it, right? And also add all absents. Say copy on write array list, apple, banana, orange. Array list you will find apple, banana, orange, orange. It's a duplicate copy. Okay, for array list you will find duplicate copy, but copy on write array list it's a prevention of duplicate. Okay, and add all absent. It's a first list contain a b, second list contain c b, so you will find a b c only. Add all absent, so add all absent is another function here. Okay, hope you have enjoyed. So the use of copy on write array list and concurrent hash map. Thank you very much.